Stop looking at someone else's path because Jesus is looking at you. In the gospel, Peter hears about his difficult future, and immediately he looks at John and asks, Lord, what about him? And Jesus gently replies, what is that to you? You follow me. My dear friends, that question of Peter is also our question. When life becomes heavy, when our family is struggling, when our prayers seem unanswered, we begin to compare. Lord, why is their life easier? Why is my cross heavier? But Jesus brings us back to the heart of it all. Follow me. Not them, not their story, but your journey with Jesus. God is not comparing you with anyone. He sees your pain. He understands your silent battles. And He walks with you, even now. So today, stop looking around. Lift your eyes back to Jesus. Even if the road is hard, His heart is good. And His love for you is greater than everything you carry. Just follow Him. Amen.